Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Conan token. Now I did a video recently on a Conan token that starts with a K, Konan, and that is a dog-based meme coin on the Caspa blockchain. But there's the original one, which with the actual name of the token, Conan with a C, on the Ethereum blockchain. It is a huge project that is still trending right now, trending number 29 on Dex Screener in the Ethereum section. This token came out 10 months ago, 10 months, 15 days ago on Uniswap. So it's not a brand new token, but it just continues to trend and continues to do well, and is based off a dog that Donald J. Trump tweeted about. And, because of the election and his popularity, and especially his meme coin popularity, that this token continues to do well and trend based off that. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on the Conan token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at conan.dog. And over there, you can find all sorts of social links like a Twitter, Telegram. You can also find a full white paper. Now, it says here, crypto has evolved from being purely speculative to becoming an integral part of various ecosystems. Meme coins, which often start as internet jokes, have gained legitimacy and been used to teach cryptocurrency principles and encourage technology adoption. Now, Conan combines the playful spirit of meme coins with the robust technology to create a currency that is both fun and functional. Now, Conan is fully organic and a community-ran project that was launched December 2023. The contract was renounced and the liquidity burned, enabling a community takeover in early January of 2024. And we can verify that on Dex Screener in a second. Now, Conan is a decentralized digital currency with a fixed supply of 1 trillion coins. It operates with no transaction tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage, which means that users can send and receive coins without fees diminishing the amount transferred. This approach is intended to maximize usability and encourage high transaction volume. So it's an Ethereum ERC20 token, proof of stake, no taxes, 1 trillion coins. And it says here they have charitable initiatives. So at Conan, we believe in the power of cryptocurrency to not only transform economies, but to also make a significant positive impact on society. As part of our commitment to social responsibility, Conan is dedicated to supporting charitable organizations that provide essential services and to support military service personnel and their families. So the Semper K9's mission is to enhance the quality of life for wounded, critically ill, and injured members of the U.S. Armed Forces and their families by providing them with custom-trained service dogs. Using rescued and donated dogs, they provide service dogs with psychiatric alert and mobility challenges free of charge to disabled veterans. So the Wounded Warrior Project, which helps active duty service members, among the services offered by the WWP are mental health support, career counseling, and long-term rehabilitation care, helping veterans achieve the highest ambition that they can when they return to civilian life. So they basically have they have a contact email in case you need to reach out, conanerc20@gmail.com. They have their contract address on their webpage, conan.dog. So if you are looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH. Now you can fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, then go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, conan.dog, you would trade your ETH for the Conan token. You don't have to worry about slippage because it said 0% taxes, but there is going to be some gas fees though when buying tokens off Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now you can find their Telegram at Conan_community_portal, 3,220 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with the Twitter right here at Conan_ERC_20. And it says, Conan did a fantastic job, and we're very honored to have Conan here and to have given Conan the certificate and an award. And that is from Mr. DJT. And they have 20,700 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, and almost 1,300 tweets. Now, according to Deck Screener, they have a market cap right now of $6.6 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $535,000 in liquidity in Uniswap, and according to Deck Screener, 99.62% of that total liquidity is locked and burned, and they have a 24-hour trading volume of $727,000. They're trending number 29 on Deck Screener today. And they got 100 out of 100 on Token Sniffer. Their quick intel security audit has no issues. For some reason, there's a conflict. Go Plus Security says there's whitelisting, blacklisting, and trading cooldown. And then Quick Intel Security says there's not. So I don't know why those conflicts happen, but sometimes they do. So just be aware of that. And who's to say which one is right? But just be aware that there is some warnings on there that you should definitely do your own research. I mean, this token has been around for a long time, but, you know, you never know. So, anyways, according to DJT, this Doge here is an American hero and, you know, has a very popular meme coin, still trending today. We'll see how it continues to go in the future. But, yeah, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.